Hi friends, welcome to our channel Jayaditya Math Tutorial. So we are doing a series of Ncert class 11th mathematics. In this we are now in the chapter sets. Already we have done two important classes. So those classes are very important. If you don't watch those classes, please do watch them. In that we have discussed all the basic concepts. So you can easily understand this class very well by having the knowledge of the previous classes. So please do watch it. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends. In this class, we are going to solve the leftover problems of exercise 1.1. In the previous class, we have done some problems. And in this class also, we are going to solve the remaining problems. So do watch it till the end. And without wasting any time, let us enter into our class. In our previous class, we have discussed the first three problems of your exercise 1.1, and in this class we start from fourth one. What is our fourth question here? That is, write the following sets in the set builder form. So in our third question, what we have done there, we have some set builder forms and we have written them in the roster form. Right here the question is different and opposite to that one. So see the first one. 3, 6, 9, 12 are the elements of the set none. So first of all, you understand what are those numbers or in which form they exist. So you should understand that part first none. So see here 3, 6, 9, 12. I will be telling that these are the multiples of 3 less than or equal to 12. Can I say yes? Right. These are all the multiples of 3 less than or equal to 12. So this is, you can simply write like this. So how to write this one? In set builder form, you should maintain the syntax. I told you, right? So how to write that one? The set of all x such that, how is x here? X is a multiple of 3. Okay, x is a multiple of 3 means 15 also comes into the multiple of 3. 18 also comes into the multiple of 3. So in order to avoid those numbers, so we should mention one more condition like x less than or equals to 12. Right now, so x is a multiple of 3, and what is the second condition you have involved here? That is x less than or equal to 12. So this is one way of writing. You can also mention in other way such that, see here 3 can be written as 3 into 1, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 12 can be written as 3 into 4. Right now, so how to write this one means x such that x is equals to, this is in the form of 3 into something, right? This is in the form of 3n. That means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what are the values n is taking here? It is taking the values from 1 to 4, right? So you should give the condition here. Therefore, so 1 should be less than or equals to n less than or equals to 4. Clear now? In this way you should write. So what is, x is in the form of 3n, x is in the form of 3n, and what are the values to be taken by n here? That is from 1 to 4. So we are including 1 and also including 4. That's why I put the symbol less than or equal to and less than or equal to. Clear now? And also you should also mention one more thing here, like n belongs to natural numbers. N belongs. Okay, the next one. So see here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what kind of numbers are these? So what is the common property involved there? So you should understand that. Can anyone guess it? So see here 2 can be written as 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 power 2, 8 can be written as 2 power 3, 16 can be written as 2 power 4, 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So here the base is constant. Base is always 2, but the powers are changing. Base is 2, but the powers are changing. So how to write this one? So assign a variable for the given elements. So I am taking it as x such that x is in the form of, in which form it exists here? 2 power, right? 2 power something. So I am mentioning here 2 power n. So for the power I am giving the variable. So how the n must be? N must be belonging to natural numbers. Why? Because here this is 2 power 1, 1 is a natural number, 2 power 2, 2 is a natural number, 2 power 3, 3 is a natural number. Right now, so in that way n belongs to natural numbers, and what values n can be taken here? So n can have the values from 2 power 1 to 2 power 5. Again it is like the same previous condition. So just mention here. So 1 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 5. 1 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 5. So you can take any value. 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32. So once after writing the set bill of form, once you verify, then you will be understanding the same. So I am leaving the third one for you. Please do write the set bill of form and comment in the comment section. Okay now. So what is the next one? So see here 2, 4, 6 and so on. 2, 4, 6 so on. So you can easily say that these are nothing but even natural numbers. So how to write the set bill of form? This is the set of all. So this bracket shows that set of all x such that, how is the x here? X is an even natural number. Even natural number. Clear? That's all. So even natural number. So here you need not restrict the condition. Why? Because here we have some dots. That means this set is not ending. So elements in the set are not ending. It is continuing. So therefore you can simply write even natural number. For example, you don't have these dots. If you don't have the dots, what you should do? So 2, 4, 6. X is an even natural number, and you should mention x less than or equal to 6. X less than or equal to 6. So there you should give one more condition if you don't have dots. But here we have dots, so there is no problem. So the next one. So 1, 4, 9, so on up to 100. So just by looking at the numbers, can you see any common property? Yes. These are all the square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. So this is the set of all square numbers. How to write this one? So the set of all x such that x is equal to, these are all n squares. So n square. So here if you observe, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 10 square. So here the bases are changing but not the power. So in the power you mention 2 and you assign a variable for the base. So x such that x is equals to n square. And what is the condition you will be giving for the n here? So n belongs to natural numbers. Why? Because 1 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all natural numbers and only up to 10. Only up to 10. So you should mention that one also. N is less than or equals to 10. N is less than or equals to 10. That's all now. Clear? So in this way you can answer this problem, and I have given you the work here. So third one. So you write the answer for the third one in the comment section. Let us see who gives the answer very first. Let us go for the next one. This is the fifth question. What is that question? List all the elements of the following sets. So here some set builder forms are given. So listing all the elements in the sense you can write the roster forms of these set builder forms. So this is very easy as we have discussed in the previous case. So what is the first one? A. It is given that set A, the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. So this is very simple. So you should list out all the natural numbers which are odd. That's all. So what will be our answer here? So A becomes, or else let me write here. So A becomes what here? A is equals to the set of all odd numbers you write here. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. You cannot write all the natural numbers. Okay, so it continues. So write 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. What is the next one? So B is equals to the set of all x such that x is an integer, and he has given one more condition for x. What is that? X lies between -1/2 and 9/2. Right now. So how to understand this problem? So you should mention only integers, but here these are not integers. -1/2 is not an integer. 9/2 is also not an integer. So let us try to understand this one very clearly. This is very simple. If you observe the number line, so here you will be having 0 and here you will be having 1. This is 1 again. So this is -1. This is +1. This is 2. This is 3, and let us go like this. This is 4 and this is 5. Right now. So what are the limits he has given? That is x should be greater than -1/2. Where will be -1/2 lies here. So -1/2 will be somewhere here, right? So here you will be having -1/2, and where will be 9/2. So 9/2 is nothing but it is 4/1/2, right? No, 9/2 is nothing but 4/1/2. If you convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, then your answer will be 4/1/2. So this will be lies between 4 and 5. So here it will be 9/2, right? Now clear? So you should mention the integers between these two. So now you can easily see the integers there. So what are the integers lies between -1/2 and 9/2? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 also. So you can simply write B is equals to set of all. What are the integers, Nana? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need not write the number line, just by taking the values here only you can see. So for example, this becomes minus 0.5 and this will be like 4.5. So write all the integers between minus 0.5 and 4.5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the elements. Clear? So that is very simple. The next one, x such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equals to 4. I told you here we should be very careful. So how to take these values? X square must be less than or equals to 4. So here 4 is a positive number. Square of any number will be a positive number. So before that, let us try to analyze what are the values for x here. So if you take 0 square, so 0 square will be nothing but 0, which is less than or equals to 4. And even if you take 1 square, so 1 square is nothing but 1 is also less than or equals to 4. You take 2 square, if you take 2 square and it is 4 is less than or equals to 4. You cannot take 3. Why? Because 3 square is 9 will not be less than 4, right? Now so here we got 3 positive numbers, and let us try to analyze for negative. So if 1 square is 1, minus 1 square also will be 1, right? So take here minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square will be 1, which is also less than or equals to 4. Now you go for, if 2 square is equals to 4, minus 2 whole square also must be 4. So this is minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 4, and this is also less than or equals to 4. So what are the integers you can take here? Why? Because in the question he has given x is an integer. Therefore you can simply write all the integers. What are the integers you got here now? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are all the elements of set C here. So this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That's all. You cannot take any other integer. Why? Because if you take minus 3 whole square is again 9. It doesn't satisfy the condition x square is less than or equals to 4. Clear? So let us go for the next one. D is equals to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So here you should understand one condition. You should remember one condition, that elements of a set should not be repeated, right? But you can write all the letters of the word loyal. So how to write this one? So D is equals to, so L we can write here. L is the letter, O is also an element, Y is an element, and A we have, and you should not write L again. Why? Because already we have written. So what are the elements here, Nana? In the set, D is equals to L, O, Y, A. That's all. Clear? And the next one, E is equals to x such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. X such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. So from the list of all the months, you should remove all the months which have 31 days and you should write the leftover months. So let us check. Okay, let us check them. So in the set E, we'll have January? No. Why? Because January has 31 days. You should not write January. And February. February will be either having 28 or 29 depending on the type of year, that is leap or non-leap. So you can mention here February. And March. In March we have 31 days again, so you should not mention. April. Yes, you can write April. In April we have only 30 days. May. Again in May we have 31 days. No, we'll be having 31 holidays complete May, right? So you should not write May also. And also June. June you have how many days? June we have 30 days. And July. July we have again 31 days. So you should not write. August. August also we have 31 days. You should not mention them. And September. Yes, September we can write. Why? Because it has only 30 days. And October you should not write. October you have 31 days. And November. Yes, you can write. November we have only 30 days. And December we have 31 days, so you should not mention them. So what is our set, Nana? Set is a month of year not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. So see here, February will not have 31 days, April will not have 31 days, June will not have 31 days, September will not have 31 days, and even November will not have 31 days. So all these months comes under the given set. Let us go for the last one, that is F is equals to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K, So you know what is successor and predecessor. So predecessor means which comes before and successor means which comes after, right now? Succeeding in the sense which comes after, preceding means which comes before. So understand this question clearly and try to give the answer in the comment section. I will be waiting for your comments. Okay. I hope you have understood this question very well. If you have any doubts, also you can do comment in the comment section. Let us re-explain this one. So let us go for the next one. Right, Nana? See here. This is the last question of your exercise 1.1. So this is like match the following question. So let me read the question completely. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form. So the set on the left side are in the roster forms, okay, with the same set on the right described in set builder form. So you should match the roster forms with the set builder forms. That's all. So how to see this? This is very, very simple. And even it will be much more simpler when we match in reverse order. From set builder form, you can easily find out the roster form. That will be very, very easy for us. So let us try. So how to do this one? So first one, x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. X such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So what are the divisors of 6 actually? Divisors in the sense, those are the factors. So you can say that 1, 2, 3 and 6. Right, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the divisors or factors of 6. And but what we want here, x must be a prime number. X must be a prime number. That means you want only 2 and 3. Now you check it where you have second one. 2, 3 we have here. 2, 3 nothing but it is nothing but these are the prime numbers and also divisors of 6. Therefore, you can easily match these two. Clear? And the next one, or else you can also write the alphabets. But I am drawing lines here. So next one. So see here, similar question is there in C. So understand this one. X such that x is a natural number and a divisor of 6. So here he has given natural and here he has given prime. That is the only difference in both the questions. So you observe that. So natural numbers in the sense you can take any factor of 6, right? So what are the factors here? 1, 2, 3, 6. So you should have all the 4 elements. So check here where we have. In the first case we have. So just match like this. And the next one, just by looking at the question itself, you can easily understand this relates to D. Already we have done it. This is like letter of the word trigonometry, right, Nana? And the next one is, the leftover one is B, and in the left side, the leftover one is fourth one. You can simply, just without looking also, you can match it. But let us see, x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10 here. So less than 10 and we want odd natural numbers. That is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's all. So in this way, you can easily match the set builder forms with roster forms or roster forms with set builder forms. Clear now? I hope you have understood this class very well. If you like the class, please do like and share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section and also comment your answers for the questions asked in the session. Okay, in our coming class, we are going to discuss about some more concepts and also we will be seeing some examples related to those concepts. So don't miss that class. So whenever you are watching a class, do watch it till the end. Okay, let us meet in our next class. Till then, bye.